Hey guys, I thought I'd just show you something really simple today. So a lot of you probably have got K&N air filters, which are these cotton type high performance filters, and you've cleaned them for the first time. So what's the correct way of oiling them? Well, obviously you need the K&N filter oil. After you've given it a good shake and you've thrown the lid behind you, just start by spraying on top of each of the fins of the filter, like you spray painting. Very simple. So the idea really is that what you want to do is you want to spray the oil into the top fin of each of these little panels, and then you're going to do the same on the other side. Kind of the easiest job you could possibly do. Check it out. Now we got all this mist here, but you can see the color is starting to change. Flip it over. Do the same. Give a can a shake. And get to painting. That's pretty much it. So now you can see that you're starting to get that pinkish hue coming to the filter. Now all you need to do is leave it for about 20 minutes and touch up any areas where it's soaked into the filter, and that's it. Throw it in your car. You're done. Sweet. Thanks for watching.